Are you going to come and say hello? Hi. Hello.
Did you wake up, George?
George is like, well, it's been a very busy day, Dad. George is definitely the mascot of this place, and he is absolutely adorable and so good with noises and people. I love him. What's your strategy here, Morrow?
Jamie, I have stuck every one. What's your strategy here?
I got one in. Clean slate, though.
All right, we're playing the 21 this time. We got to get this. Come on.
All right, so I just learned that George can do tricks. George is like, oh, let me show you what we got here. Guess where we're at? We are in Mascoutah, Illinois at Sure Shot, which is the coolest place that we have ever stepped foot in, no joke. And who's winning? Are you winning or is Lester winning? Oh, Xander is definitely dominating, and Kendra and I haven't gotten a single thing to stick just yet, but let me show you this place. It is awesome. Practice round right here. Kendra hasn't found the size of axe that suits her just yet. I like the big one. It sticks well. Kendra has a lot of aggression, more than any of us, by the way. It's gonna be great. Kendra! Way to be! Alright. Oh my God, nuh-uh. Better luck next time, babe.
Yeah. That's actually almost 5.
I thought it was 5, and then I realized it was just the arm. So here they have like throwing stars, and Xander's really good at this. And different size axes, and it's a really neat place. Things are going better. Look at this. Kendra and I got points. It's what matters, really. Oh my gosh. You only needed one and you were able to aim? I can't even hit the whole wall. I mean, that's close. Close to the 8. You got it stuck in, babe. Y'all, look at this place. Lester and I didn't know what air football was, and we just realized Ellie would be in love because it's a football and bowling pins. And you have traditional bags and washers. And I have no idea what that is down there. Bags, putt-putt golf, a little gambling if you're into that. This game, which turns out to be the hardest game in the whole house. Foosball. Dags, don't know what that is. They have shuffleboard. They have giant billiards, Lester. I like their rules because it says share toys. Others want to play too. Don't break shit. No cheating if you get caught. Beware of flying objects. Don't feed George. He's on a diet, and the bartender's always right. I can't wait to show you George. So Lester and I were confused, and we just realized that this is actually with soccer balls that have been made to be like pool colors, pool table, billiards, thank you for the words. And it can be played with 2 to 4 players, which is awesome. I know a little boy in Texas who would be madly in love with this game. But how, Kendra? How did you get the handle stuck in the wall?
It worked though, I'll take it.
Points are points, right?
Exactly.
I'm telling you right now that Lester Morrow has in his head that we are going to build one of these in our backyard, and I believe that we will. This type of place is where we would never be able to get Lex and Ellie to leave. This is scratched. This is really neat.
Scratch action.
That was actually clever.
I spoke too soon.
You have
Kendra scratched, but she was able to get the balls to disperse.
my shotgun you scratch.
And
Y'all are solids, Kendra.
Okay.
Any worse?
they got two solids and a stripe in on that one. What? So Kendra is like the sandbagger of all backyard games. I remember the first time that she and Xander came out and we were gonna play croquet in the yard, and she did not want to play. Like, she was furious that we were dragging them out of the barndominium to play some family game in the yard, and she won the whole thing. And now she's over here making strategies and making the best moves in the giant billiards. Oh boy. Speaking of strategy. Oh! Hit it again, babe. All those weekends, or all those Thursdays in the hotel parking lot with Lex playing soccer have really paid off.
Dang it.
No! Lester! Okay. '97 throws. Oh! Dang, babe! Remember that one time when I said Kendra is the sandbagger of all backyard games? 9 pins she just knocked over. Next up, shuffleboard. Kendra and Xander have prepared the board. And this is our practice attempt. It turns out they made the fastest board on this side of the Mississippi. We're gonna try again. Do you see George? I don't know what kind of dog George is. He looks like a little golden doodle-ish, but he is adorable, and he's napping in his little Betty Bye behind the bar. He did come out to greet us in the beginning. Oh, he's cute. Are you going to come and say hello? Hi. Hello.
Did you wake up, George?
George is like, well, it's been a very busy day, Dad. George is definitely the mascot of this place, and he is absolutely adorable and so good with noises and people. I love him. So I just learned that George can do tricks. George is like, oh, let me show you what we got here. Okay. Look at him. Is he a golden doodle, or what kind of dog is he?
He's a mini poodle.
A mini poodle. Oh boy. Oh. George plays this game better than we did. Aww. Oh. George, you're so good. Oh my goodness. I'm so in love with him.
Dance for me?
Oh my goodness. Oh.
We used to sell guns and stuff, so this was one big one.
Oh. This is so sweet.
You gotta die a little better this time. Bang. There you go.
Oh, George, people are gonna love you, and they're gonna want to come see you. Thanks for being a part of our video. What's wrong with you two?
Definitely recording.
baby.
Sandra, come hold it.
Hold the chair or the axe.
The axe.
Well, this is how axe throwing went here today.